Hi, students. As you can see, we are moving very, very rapidly because we're mini term one class, 8 weeks. So while you are preparing your essay one, which is your narrative reflective essay, and I'm looking for those outlines as I prepare this, then a quick turnaround on those late ones, I won't be able to give you that turnaround. You just have to keep moving on because they're due, Wednesday night. I'll be looking at them Thursday, the latest will be Friday morning. And then you're turning it in. You're turning it into tutor.com to get some feedback, and you submit that feedback here for your grade to show that you did that, and then you're submitting to Blackboard there. If it's late, it gets penalized, but it is accepted. Okay, but you got to keep it rolling because this isn't the only unit. We've got this unit that's also due Sunday night. There is instruction for our next essay called a consciousness raising essay. This video is not as long. There still is a quiz on it. This one is only 4.5 minutes. It's not a whole class lecture like the one for the narrative reflective essay. Then you have a project, and if you've never done a screen power, screencast, or video presentation, then you're going to need these steps, but you are doing a screencast like I'm doing one right now on how to do an outline for an essay. And you can use the one that you are working on this week for essay one to do that. Read the instructions, but I'm just kind of letting you know what's going on. So this is a sample consciousness raising essay. You really need to read watch the video instruction here, okay? But again, so that's only 5 minutes, maybe another 5 to 10 to read the essay, and then you got to put together the project, which will take a little time. Then we move straight on into units 6 and 7, and look at that, boom, our consciousness raising essay is due. I have pulled the topic lists out so that you can see that and jump on that. This is pretty much, as you can see, it's nonstop. There's no room for taking a few days off from this class, being a writing class, and it's just relentless to get everything done. You'll be getting information soon about setting up the midterm because we do our midterm at week 4. We are already 2. Now we're looking at week 3 as we look at due February 4th, and then we're in week 4. So it's very, very much around the corner. Again, I'll be adding a little spot for you to turn in your tutor.com so you can get some feedback in it. We don't even have time for you to turn in an outline. You need to write your essay and send it into tutor.com and get it back before you turn it in the next Sunday night. Okay, boom, but that's not the only unit. Whew, I mean, like you're having to do double duty. You're having to work with a essay while you're working on something else. I'm not going to preview Unit 7 just yet, but we start into preparing for our research paper on finding sources. It gets real. And then we start preparing for that midterm. It's not week 8 or 9, it's Unit 8 or 9, so it's coming up. I just want you to know what's ahead because you can't just check one thing off the box and then take a couple days break, and if you feel like it's nonstop, it is. You should be working in this every day for at least an hour. So, and then it'll be over. It'll be over. But that midterm, you have to know how to do these things on your own by yourself. Okay. All right. Just want to keep it short, give you kind of heads up what's going on so that you would, be prepared.